Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord, Michigan. This is the hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Saturday, April 27th, 2013. As we take a look at the hazardous weather highlights, we don't have any, so it should be a fairly nice week. We may get a little bit of rain in here. We'll start off with the current weather map. We have high pressure that is off to our east, and that is what is influencing us right now. A little bit of showers came through here earlier, but pretty much high pressure, drier air is kind of working all that stuff out. We should have a mostly clear night tonight as this goes through. However, by Sunday, we do have another system that's going to be bearing down on us from the west and another one coming up from the south. So we're going to see just a few showers probably down in the southeast counties, and possibly then Sunday night we'll get a little bit of rain into eastern upper Michigan. By Monday, that whole system kind of falls apart. We're just really not seeing a whole lot with this pattern. In fact, it looks like there's a nice little block over the Atlantic and one over the Pacific, so that this whole system or the whole progression of these systems coming across the United States are going to slow down quite a bit, and we're probably going to see stuff just off to our west for a good portion of this week. As we get into Tuesday, we have another system that starts to form, but again, it looks like it may just kind of hold off, and then by the time this front comes through, if it does come through, I think this is even becoming a little optimistic in my opinion right now, that what we're going to be seeing then is just a real small chance for showers Tuesday night into Wednesday. Otherwise then, as we get on into the rest of the week, it looks like things should dry out to a certain extent, and we should maintain temperatures in the 60s and probably even a few days in the 70s, kind of like today. Okay, so to wrap everything up, we have continued warm weather for the weekend. It's going to have warm springtime weather for northern Michigan through at least the middle of this next week, and maybe even out through next weekend. So we'll just have to see what happens. Otherwise, for tonight, mostly clear. Our temperatures mainly in the 40s across the region with mostly clear skies. And as you see on the hazardous weather outlook for tonight through Saturday, we're not expecting anything of any significance to move through northern Michigan. This concludes this afternoon's hazardous weather briefing. Thanks for listening in. You can always check out the National Weather Service online if you have further questions at weather.gov/Gaylord. You can also post questions to our Twitter and Facebook feeds. And if you get pictures, feel free to submit them, or even videos. We have also our YouTube channel, which you can also see a tour of some of the office, and that is in progress, at least a work in progress. So feel free to see that. Otherwise, you can always call us here at the office as well. Thanks, and have a great evening.